love you, Cozhe.
Wavy.
December rain, Wednesday morning going through this pain, but I'm happy to be alive. Got a real one on my side to keep me from going insane. Wanna thank you for coming around. Wanna thank you for always holding me down. Even though I didn't know what I wanted, even though sometimes I hadn't responded. My mind's so crowded, out here to see you pouting. If I could rewind the time, go back in my prime, and forget the grind and never change my mind. Well, I can't forget the grind now. I still gotta get this money. I should've never changed my mind about you, girl. But I'm better now, I'm patient now, myself I found. Let's accomplish our goals, pack it up and hit the road. Baby girl, I'm home, you be my home, sorry for being gone. If you're all alone, girl, I'm so wrong, girl, I'm so wrong. It was true love all along. Hope you listen to this song, it came from the heart. Straight from the heart, straight from the heart.
Wavy.
Straight from my heart. December rain, Wednesday morning going through this pain, but I'm happy to be alive. Got a real one on my side to keep me from going insane.
Cody. You're him. You're that guy. Stop playing with that word. Like, he really making music successful.
Cozhe, is that you?
Like, come on now.
We love you, Cozhe.
1,000+ aura. You got